Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid monthly reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 30th of April. Not a love or career or anything specific reading. Whatever comes out, we'll just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box or find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love journey, the 30-day self-love challenge is on now, live now, and the link is given below. It's life-changing. It will permanently raise your vibrations. So go for it. Okay, let's start, Taurus. Overall energy for Taurus people for the rest of the month of April 2025 is, let's see what we have. Okay, one more shuffle and good to go. King of Pentacles, your whole focus is going to be on yourself, your money, your job, your career, and your sense of stability. That's very important for Taurus people. Even if they're madly doing something and if they're not feeling stable enough to keep it going, they're going to leave that thing. It's very difficult, but anyways, Taurus people crave for stability, and you in this particular rest of the month, you are going to be very focused on your stability and yourself. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening, honey. I sometimes get lost in my own eyes. They're beautiful. Yeah, I know. Emperor. So in the recent past, you took the charge of your life in your own hands. You were in this energy of sitting in your own power and making your own decisions, making your own choices. Something happened here, definitely. Currently, we have the Two of Cups. You are in this alignment of beautiful divine feminine and divine masculine connecting with each other and creating a beautiful energy for yourself within yourself. Okay, now by the end of this month, we have the Nine of Pentacles, choosing yourself. Okay, choosing yourself. Let me clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture of the situation. Let me clarify the Emperor in the recent past for you guys. What was the need to do that? Let's see. Let's clarify. तेरे सामने आ जाने से दिल मेरा धड़का है. Okay, so you were heartbroken or upset or guilty or were in some kind of regret about a particular partnership or situation or connection. You were waiting and hoping for a situation to turn around into a very positive thing, but for some of you it didn't. For some of you, even if it did, it was something heartbreaking, something not that much happy-go-lucky kind of for you guys. So some kind of heartbreak, some kind of disappointment made you feel like you should take the charge of your life in your own hands, because you were waiting and nothing happened. Or even if it happened, it was not the same kind of energy that you were hoping for, right? That's why you were in this energy of, okay, let me sit in my power and let me do something that is going to make me happy, instead of waiting for something else or someone else to show up and make me happy, right? Two of Cups in the current energies. Let's clarify the Two of Cups. This is the Two of Cups in the current energies. The Moon, the Six of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords. Okay, you're not sure about a particular situation, connection, dynamics that's very close to your heart and soul. You're not sure whether it's ever going to be balanced the way you want it to be balanced, and or you should leave it behind and run in the opposite direction. See, the Knight of Swords here in this particular deck, like right away, it's only the okay. Anyways, is kind of a signature of you trying to fix something very sure, very like what I call that, fastly, right? But there are fear. There is a lot of fear. There's a lot of anxiety. There is a lot of unknown hidden truths, secrets that you're not able to see or get regarding a particular situation that's very close to your heart. You are trying your best to find the inner peace, inner balance about the situation, but okay, it's like the tug of war between you trying to fix it and then you trying to surrender, but everything is not clear. That's why you are not able to do anything about it, even if you're trying to do that. So it takes actually there's another energy involved in the situation. It can be a friendship, it can be a sibling connection, it can be maybe your connection with yourself. The other side, maybe the masculine side is not responding, or the feminine side. Take it how it resonates with you. It's not always a romantic connection. We are so caught up in romantic relationships that we don't even think about anything else or anyone else. So yeah, this is a tug of war going on where you want to fix something within a dynamics, but you are not able to because you are not sure how to do that, or you are not sure how the other energy is going to respond. By the end of this month, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Let's clarify this Nine of Pentacles here. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, you're heading towards a partnership, a collaboration, uh, project, you can say. You're heading towards some kind of collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together in a particular direction. But you are putting yourself first in this situation. You are like, okay, I am ready, I am open for collaborations, partnerships, coming together, coming back together kind of energy, especially in your job and career and financial area. You're fantastically aligned with your energies and you're ready to collaborate, ready to move to the next chapter. But in this whole like whatever is happening, you are going to put yourself first, right? And you are going to slowly but steadily moving towards your goals regarding stability. Stability is very very important for you. For most of you Taurus right now, you are feeling very very unstable within yourself, and that's why you are feeling like, okay, everything is falling apart, right? You're trying to fix it, but when you are going to be in this energy of surrender that you can't fix everything in your life, you are heading towards yourself. And the moment you are going to head towards yourself, you will be able to see the results, slow and steady results, the way Taurus people like it, the way you like it, right? So it's like the way you like it, you're going to get the growth and success, and everything will start making sense to you, and everything will start coming to you the way it should. Very slow but steady growth. Again, the way you like it. Nice. We got the title. Okay, for you, the guidance here is release the control. Release the control, Taurus. You have this stubbornness and sometimes this energy of, I want to control each and everything. Not possible. Releasing the control, realizing that you can't control and change each and everything in your life is the most important factor. The lesson here is to release and realize that you cannot change and control each and everything in your life. Yeah, we can't. Bad, but we can't. But this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.